Hello everyone, and welcome back to today's video, where today I will be reviewing all of the Dinoco races. So, first off, we have probably the most popular one, by far, Strip, the King, Weathers. Now, as you as you big car fans might be able to tell, he is based on a 1970 Plymouth Superbird, which is now, if you're wondering why he looks, very similar to Richard Petty's Superbird, that's because he was voiced by Richard Petty, and yeah, let's just have a look. So obviously he's got Dinoco, which was actually the name of the fuel station in Toy Story. Then obviously 43, Dinoco, then his contingency sponsors. Seems like I think it's Easy Idle, Retread, Gas Brindle, Talkie Pistons, No Stall, Mood Springs, and great. And obviously check out the back. Yeah, it's cool. Dinoco 43 just here. Obviously it's got such a big wing, which obviously very iconic. Now next up is Cal Weathers, who's the King's nephew, and he is voiced by Carl Petty, who's Richard Petty's son. And obviously both Dinoco, but Cal doesn't have that big wing like the King. I just rhymed. I'm a poet and I don't know it. And unlike the King, he actually shares his model with some of the other races, like Mary Clutchburn, Terry Cargas, Triple Dent. From Inside Out, but he might be featured in another video, you never know. Let's see, Dinoco, 42, episode 43, and contingency sponsors are Vitamin, Revolting, RPM, Nitroaid, Octane Clutch Aid, obviously Dinoco. And obviously, unlike the King, this lighter blue fades into darker blue, which I think is kind of cool, if I'm honest. Then Dinoco 42. Yeah. Now moving on to Cruz Ramirez, who started off as a trainer in a Rusty's Racing Centre, but then she started to train Lightning McQueen. And then, during the Florida 500, she took over, Lightning McQueen, and then, she won the race, and then Tex Dinoco said that she can become the new Dinoco racer, which is, very cool. Now, see, brand new Dinoco logo, I mean, look at it. So, then 51, which is, Doc Hudson's old number. But it was to commemorate him, just like the fabulous Lightning McQueen. I'll see 51. Ooh, and then Dinoco right here. 51. Obviously Dinoco on the wing. Yeah, you guess it. Now, I like all of them, but if I had to pick one. Oh, that's a tricky one. I'd probably have to go Cruz Ramirez. Which is just, he's got a sleek design, a very simplistic design. Yeah. And, that's it. See you in the next video.